Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye. Very attractive and stylish hairstyling. And many much more beautiful ideas of bob haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in bob. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. Very beautiful and stylish collection of choppy haircut, notching haircut, and some ideas with bang. Bob haircut, bang ideas, two-sided bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and some ideas of layered haircut, back to front layered, and so beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, and dazzling blonde, gold blonde. Very beautiful stylish ideas of highlights. Highlights in burgundy color, in funky color, in ash color. So attractive collection of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Messy hairstyle. And very attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. So beautiful overall ideas. In short hair, in bob hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. So thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.